Hello friends, this is Adiraj and today we are going to learn how to use the SpreeCommerce Taxjar extension developed by Vinsol. Still doing your sales tax reports by hand and feeling confused with every other field? Taxjar is one of the several sales tax automation solutions that help with easing your intentions to file your sales tax returns. Taxjar easily connects to a lot of marketplace solutions to instantly prepare state return ready reports. There's also an autofile option to let you directly automate your sales tax reporting and let Taxjar take away all your worries around it. Do you have an active Taxjar account but need to integrate it with your SpreeCommerce store? Our SpreeCommerce Taxjar extension helps you save tons of time and effort in sales tax reporting by integrating your Taxjar account with your SpreeCommerce store. Just add our extension to the gem file, install it, and follow a few more steps to completely automate your sales tax reporting directly from your SpreeCommerce store. Now let's move over to the GitHub page for Spree Taxjar extension, which you can access by clicking the link available on our YouTube page below this video. Here you will find all of the information regarding our extension. There is also a Heroku one-click deploy button that you can use to play around with the extension. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've already deployed the extension on Heroku and logged in with the admin credentials. Here we have the admin backend in front of us. You can access the admin backend by appending admin/orders to the address of your SpreeCommerce store. In this tutorial, I would like to show you three things. 1. How to configure Taxjar into your SpreeCommerce store. 2. How to define a nexus for a given state. And 3. How to use Taxjar to find the total tax collected and total tax payable for the selected period. Now let's go over to the configuration section and the Taxjar settings subsection within it. Here you update the Taxjar API key, tick the Taxjar enabled checkbox and click update. If you want, you can tick the Taxjar debug enabled checkbox also. This won't have a difference on the user end, but it will log all the calls made to the Taxjar API in a separate file. Now let's go over to the tax rate subsection. Here, for the particular zone that you want to enable Taxjar for, you click the edit button. Here, under the calculator section, you select Taxjar calculator from the drop-down and click update. Now let's go ahead and learn how to add a nexus for a given state in your Taxjar account. I click on dashboard. I click on add more states. Then I click on add state with nexus. I add in the details and click on Save Information. As you can see, a new nexus has been defined for the state of New York. Now, it is pertinent to mention here that there is a list of rules that need to be followed while adding addresses of nexus. You will find the link to the same in the description below. Here we have the front end of the SpreeCommerce store before us. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've already logged in with a set of customer credentials that I created specifically. Now let's go ahead and try to order something, let's say Apache baseball jersey. I add 3 quantities of Apache baseball jersey to cart. On the checkout page, everything seems fine, so I click on checkout. In the address section, the details are already filled. Please note that the address that has been input here is for the state of New York, for which we have defined a nexus to capture the details in our Taxjar account. I click on Save and Continue. In a similar way, I selected the shipping method in the delivery section and the payment method in the payment section and completed the order. Please note the order value, that is $70.29. Here, Taxjar is updated with the actual sales tax collected for the order. Let's look at the sales tax report for a closer look. Here it shows a breakup of the sales done and the sales tax collected and the minimum sales tax due on the given date. Now let's look at one last aspect before we wrap this up. Let's look at how to file tax return from Taxjar itself. You click on File manually. Now there's 2 methods of filing tax returns, paper and online. You could print out the sales tax return form, fill it out, and send it by post, or you can complete the sales tax return on the New York website. Whichever way you choose, you can record your tax payment on the Taxjar here only. All you have to do is tick this box and click on Record Payment. Now, all of this information is available on the GitHub page for Spree Taxjar extension, which you can access by clicking the link available on our YouTube page below this video. You can also look at some more extensions developed for SpreeCommerce at SpreeCommerce-extensions.com. You can also post your issues on the SpreeCommerce Slack, marking me @Adhiraj. That is ADHIRAJ. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.